I'm detecting a psychic signal from that coil and that radio. It's hooked up to the old speaker that was in it. This is electromagnetic sound. I'm detecting a magnetic pulse right now in microteslas at almost 3 to 4 feet away, and it's rather strong. It's extremely weak, but strong enough to call it measurable at 6 watts, somewhere around 6 watts, measuring a big magnetic field. Now I don't know where it's coming from, but if I move closer to the coil, you'll see. Now it's a lot higher. Now it's up to 1, almost 2 microteslas, instead of like 0 to 6.0, 0.00 to 0.10. So it's, you move back here and you get a fraction of that, but it's still pretty high dose. So anytime anytime an electrical circuit with the frequency of sound acts as a pulse, it emits magnetic fields and photons at the same time that generate enough energy to cause a microphone or this sensor to fluctuate in electric. That means we're psychic.